So hey, Eyeliners, I'm over here in the gym at Finger Lakes Community College with some very competent students over there. There's Doran. Let's get in focus, Doran. There you go. And what we're going to do is we're going to drop the paper filters. So what I got here is coffee filters, and I'm going to have Doran drop one filter, and then two, and then three. We'll see if we can get up to 20. And the surface area should be exactly the same as before. The surface area should be, if you're looking down at this thing, the surface area should be here. Whether or not I got 1, 2, or 6, or 10, or 20 of these things, I should have the same surface area on this thing. So remember that. I gave you the surface area in the lab. Then you're gonna time it from when it hits the landing over here. When it hits right about where its speed is, I'm gonna stand over there with my video camera and video it. You could probably watch the video and time it, or it would be even better if you did this yourself. So that's what the lab's all about. All we're gonna do is drop these coffee filters and time how long it takes to get down. We're gonna start the clock when it gets to your feet. Why? Because we don't want it to start from rest. We want it to already be at terminal velocity before we start our clock, so that the constant speed is the terminal speed for the whole trip, okay? So that's the plan. You're gonna start now watching Doran dropping all these coffee filters, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and see if we can go right down the list of things. And I'll yell out how many coffee filters there are in each one. All right, so that's all there is about the data taken of this lab, and all the other stuff is explained right in the Excel document, so you should be all set. Start the clock. Stop. 2 filters, go. Start the clock. Stop the clock. 3 filters. Sorry. Stop. 4 filters. 4 filters. Go. Good. You're timing from where it hits the landing to there. 5 filters. Good. 5 filters. 6 filters. 6 filters. Go. 7 filters. Start. Stop. 8 filters. 8 filters. And 8 filters. 9 filters. 9 filters. Nice. 10 filters. 11 filters. Oh, that's flying faster now, doesn't it? 12 filters. 12 filters. 13 filters. 13 filters. 14. 14 filters. 14. Go. 15. 15 filters. 15 filters. See how much faster they're going? 16 of them. 16. 16. Fast. 17 of them. Go. 17. 19. 20. Go ahead.
3, 2, 1, go.
Excellent. All right, so now we got all the data, 1 filter to 20 filters, and all you got to do now is write down the data and figure out what the speed is. The speed. You got to get the speed of those guys. All right, how do you get the speed? The distance fallen. I think we decided it was 5 meters, but look on your spreadsheet and I gave you the actual distance it fell. Divide that by the time and you have yourself the average speed. But the average speed is the terminal speed, because what we tried to do was start the timer after it reached terminal. So you're finding the terminal speed with respect to weight, because all we did was change the weight. The area should have stayed pretty much constant. The only thing we changed was the weight. So we have more force of gravity, so we have a larger terminal velocity, and therefore less time every time when we added filters. All right, follow the spreadsheet word for word. You get a 20 out of 20. Follow the other videos to help you with any of the struggles you might have. And there's an integral that's really complicated, very difficult. If you can't find it online, email me and I'll either find it for you or give you a hint on where to find it. And that's the lab. Good luck.